Welcome to Simple Mind Space, the podcast dedicated to helping you unlock your full potential, achieve financial freedom, and cultivate a millionaire mindset. I'm your host, guiding you on this exciting journey of personal growth and financial empowerment. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency, exploring the potential of Bitcoin and how even a small investment can grow significantly over time. Now, you might be thinking, Bitcoin? Isn't that incredibly volatile and risky? And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. Bitcoin, like any investment, has its share of risks. But it's also important to remember that with risk often comes reward, and understanding the potential of this revolutionary digital currency can be the key to unlocking significant financial opportunities. Let's start by demystifying Bitcoin. Imagine a digital currency, free from the control of governments and banks, operating on a decentralized network. That's Bitcoin in a nutshell. Created in 2009, in the wake of the global financial crisis, Bitcoin offered a new vision for money: transparent, secure, and accessible to all. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin has become a global phenomenon. Its value has skyrocketed, attracting investors from all walks of life. And while the price can fluctuate, the underlying technology and its potential continue to captivate the world. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a millionaire to get started with Bitcoin. In fact, even a small investment can make a world of difference thanks to the power of compound growth. Think of it like this. Imagine planting a tiny seed. With time, care, and the right conditions, that seed can grow into a mighty tree. The same principle applies to investing. Even a small amount, invested consistently over time, can grow exponentially, generating significant returns. Let me illustrate this with a real-life example. Imagine investing just $10 in Bitcoin back in 2013 when the price hovered around $100. That $10 would have bought you a fraction of a Bitcoin. Fast forward to today, and that fraction, thanks to Bitcoin's remarkable growth, could be worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. That's the magic of compound growth in action. Now, I understand that investing in Bitcoin can seem daunting, especially for beginners. But the key is to start small and gradually learn the ropes. Begin by researching reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. Look for platforms with strong security measures, user-friendly interfaces, and a proven track record. Once you've chosen an exchange, educate yourself on the fundamentals of Bitcoin, how it works, the technology behind it, and the factors that influence its price. Knowledge is power. And the more you understand about Bitcoin, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing in Bitcoin, like any investment, carries inherent risks. It's crucial to never invest more than you can afford to lose and to diversify your investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize your potential for returns. As we look ahead, the future of Bitcoin remains bright, with experts predicting continued growth and adoption. The halving events, a key feature of Bitcoin, where the rate of new Bitcoin creation is halved, historically contribute to price surges. Additionally, the increasing mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin by institutions and businesses further fuels its potential. However, it's essential to approach Bitcoin with a balanced perspective. While the potential rewards are enticing, it's crucial to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. The cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages and subject to volatility. Therefore, it's vital to stay informed, manage your risk effectively, and approach Bitcoin as a long-term investment strategy rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. In conclusion, Bitcoin presents a unique opportunity in the world of finance. Its decentralized nature, potential for growth, and increasing mainstream adoption make it an intriguing asset class to consider. However, it's crucial to approach Bitcoin with a balanced perspective, understanding both its potential rewards and inherent risks. Start small, invest consistently, and never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and by staying informed and adapting to new information, you can navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency and potentially unlock significant financial opportunities. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Simple Mind Space. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends, family, and anyone who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more insightful episodes on personal growth, financial empowerment, and unlocking your full potential. Until next time, I'm your host, wishing you a life of abundance and fulfillment.